Welcome to Tech Dream Gear, where cutting-edge innovation meets everyday life. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking topic: tech meets nature, unveiling the power of automatic plant care systems. Get ready to discover how technology is transforming the way we grow and care for plants, bridging the gap between nature and advanced engineering. The fusion of technology and nature. The integration of technology into plant care is revolutionizing agriculture, gardening, and sustainability. Automatic plant care systems are no longer futuristic concepts. They're here and making a real impact. Why it matters? 1. Population growth. Feeding a growing global population requires smarter solutions. 2. Climate change. Automation helps adapt to changing environmental conditions. 3. Resource optimization. These systems ensure efficient use of water, fertilizers, and energy. What are automatic plant care systems? Automatic plant care systems use technology to manage and monitor plant growth with minimal human intervention. They combine IoT, AI, and robotics to create a seamless care ecosystem. Key features: real-time monitoring. Sensors track soil moisture, temperature, and light levels. Smart irrigation. Watering systems adjust based on plant needs and weather conditions. AI analysis. Machine learning provides insights for better decision-making. Automation. Robotics handle tasks like planting, weeding, and pruning. Core technologies in automatic plant care. 1. Internet of Things, IoT. IoT devices connect plants to the cloud, enabling data-driven care. 2. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI algorithms analyze data to predict plant needs and improve efficiency. 3. Drones and robotics. From aerial monitoring to ground-level maintenance, these tools enhance precision. 4. Hydroponics and aeroponics. Soil-free systems automate nutrient delivery and optimize growth conditions. 5. Renewable energy sources. Solar and wind power make these systems sustainable and cost-effective. Benefits of automatic plant care systems. 1. Enhanced productivity. Automation boosts yields by ensuring optimal growing conditions. 2. Resource conservation. Smart systems reduce water and fertilizer use, minimizing waste. 3. Sustainability. Eco-friendly practices align with global goals for a greener future. 4. Reduced labor. Automated tools handle repetitive tasks, freeing up time for innovation. 5. Scalability. From home gardens to industrial farms, these systems adapt to any scale. Popular tools and solutions. 1. Smart sensors. Track plant health and environmental conditions in real time. 2. Automated irrigation systems. Deliver water precisely where and when it's needed. 3. AI gardening apps. Provide tailored advice based on data from sensors and cameras. 4. Robotic weeders. Eliminate weeds without harming crops. 5. LED grow lights. Simulate sunlight for indoor and greenhouse farming. Real-world applications. 1. Urban farming. Smart greenhouses and vertical gardens bring fresh produce to city dwellers. 2. Large-scale agriculture. AI and IoT optimize operations over expansive fields, boosting efficiency. 3. Home gardening. Affordable automation tools make it easy for hobbyists to maintain healthy plants. 4. Research and development. Universities and labs use automated systems for crop studies and innovation. Challenges and how to overcome them. 1. High initial costs. Grants, subsidies, and gradual implementation help mitigate financial barriers. 2. Learning curve. User-friendly interfaces and tutorials simplify adoption. 3. Maintenance needs. Regular updates and care ensure long-term reliability. The future of plant care automation. 1. Autonomous farms. Fully automated systems manage every aspect of farming, from planting to harvesting. 2. AI-driven plant breeding. Machine learning accelerates the development of resilient, high-yield crops. 3. Climate-resilient systems. Smart tools adapt to unpredictable weather conditions, ensuring consistent yields. 4. Energy-efficient innovations. Renewable energy sources will power future systems, enhancing sustainability. How to get started. Step 1. Define your goals. Identify what you want to achieve with automation, whether it's saving time, boosting productivity, or conserving resources. Step 2. Research technologies. Explore the tools and systems available, keeping your budget and needs in mind. Step 3. Start small. Begin with 1 or 2 automation tools and scale up as you gain experience. Step 4. Monitor and optimize. Use data insights to refine your approach and maximize benefits. Building a sustainable future. Automation is more than just a convenience, it's a vital step toward sustainable agriculture. By integrating technology into plant care, we can feed the world's growing population while preserving the planet for generations to come. Embrace the future of plant care. Automatic plant care systems represent the perfect harmony between technology and nature. By adopting these innovative tools, you can achieve healthier plants, higher yields, and a more sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on Tech Dream Gear. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the technologies shaping our world. Let's dream big and grow smarter together.